Clean and clean energy is very important to us in our life. In these days, it is very important. Means in our corona time, maintaining social distances, wearing masks and using sanitizers. It is very important to us. And greenery gives a fresh air to us. And compared to the old generation, in this generation, the patient's rate is decreasing. So I am supporting to green and clean energy. Why are you opposing to that?
Yes, as you say that the number of patients is decreasing, but nobody knows when it attacks the patient again. So maintaining cleanliness is not only the thing here. Wearing masks and sanitizing hands frequently is not only the thing, social distancing, but should take the food which increases our immunity and does the exercises. It will increase our immunity and strength. Then if the virus attacks again the patient can have the power to overcome the virus, and cleanliness is also important.
Yes, sir. What you are saying, I am understanding what you are going to say. But in these days, I am saying in these days, it is very important. Means become the vaccine is very not. Some bodies are not profit to that. Means when we are giving vaccine, the less of patients are dying. Means they are not strong to take the vaccine. From that only, we are schools are open for why we are taking a distance and maintaining cleanness. That is the hope of the government to open the schools. That means we are taking the green and we are maintaining the green and cleanness.
What you are saying is the right thing, and I agree with you. But here not that is the thing. Clean and green energy. So clean and green is not including with campus cleaning, surroundings cleaning. It is not only the thing that is cleaning or green energy. We are cleaning our surroundings, our houses, our campus, but I'm not satisfied with this cleaning because of it is a temporary cleaning. There is no permanent change in the its eco friendly.
It is our health. It is not a permanent. It is not permanent. But we are permanent. We are permanent in the earth. We are not also permanent in the earth. We are also temporary. Yes, we are no. We are when we are in surroundings. Which are in surroundings we want to keep clean and green means totally automatically it is also a green and clean. Yes.
That's not the thing with that to speak right now. It's my intention is that it's not the permanent thing. Is that we are cleaning each and everything. It's okay. I'll agree with that. But the every wastage which we are cleaning, we are using. The government is using such lots of schemes like Swachh Bharat. Everything government is also taking steps towards the cleaning, but it is not implementing properly. It's in a sense is they are using vans collecting all the wastage, and they are using dumping yards to place the wastage. Dumping yard, it's in the sense it's earth. The all the wastage which had present biodegradable things, non biodegradable things, each and everything had the wastage. Those wastage are not biodegradable in the earth. So here we are at the same time we are cleaning our earth. At the same time we are also polluting by placing it in the dumping yards. So it is not the proper thing to do.
The vehicle is picking the garbages in this home. In villages, for example, you are saying right point only. They are taking garbages from home with vehicle, like tractor. In the tractor, they are taking and throwing it outside of the village. The which are is biodegradable, they degradable in soil, which are non-biodegradable. For example, plastic. If the plastic is collected and the government is recycling that, and one thing you want to remind it that the government banned the plastic. In now only we are using plastic means if before coming the before we don't before we don't know that what is the plastic. On that time, the plastic is released. So when we know what is the plastic, what is the effect of plastic, on that time we banned the plastic. So we are recycling that. In future, there is no plastic. We are using jute bags, like etc.
So, yeah, nice thing which you have taken. Government has banned all the plastic things. Here the reason of discussion between government. We know that only 1% of 1% of water is good for our survival, including everything, what is not each and everything, including only all over the world, all over the earth, only 1% of the water is good for us. But we know that everyone know that only 1% of water is good for us. But they are doing and they are presenting that negligence. They are wasting water a lot. They are polluting water using the chemicals which are released in the factories are going to be mixed with the water or ponds, lakes, seas, etc. They are polluted, they are contaminated. So then the 1% of the water which is useful us is also not useful for our survival. And then, so I am saying that if it continues to the next generation, the next generation will not be able to survive their lives on the earth.
In olden generation, they know what is the drinking water, what is the salt water, what is the another water, how to use and how to save. They don't know. In nowadays, we know that the drinking water is 3%, means the groundwater is 3%. We are saving that in nowadays. In recently, the rains have come. The lot of water is joined in the oceans, means that is wastage of water. The government decided that Bindat is a Nallaban. It is the program that invited by our Telangana student only. That is the one of the scheme. When we put the heavy weight of the tap in down of the tap, it is when we fill up, we remove it. When we remove it, the tap is automatically off. On that time we saving water. Now our generation know what is the drinking water, what is the waste water, means what is the ocean water, what is the sea water, and what is the drinking water, means groundwater, how much of groundwater. So we know that we want future. That water is also we want to use in future. So we are saving that. Means now only we are saving that only.
It's also the right thing. We are saving water, but not only the air, not only the land, not only the water, not only our campus. This is not the only these are not the important things. But also if you take clean and green, it's the same like health is well. So our health is very important in our life. Life, health are also lot of important in our life. So to survive up there, the first primary products which we need to survive on earth is water and food. So water and food, we are consuming food, we are consuming water. Okay, water we are using bore water, filtered water, but the food which we are consuming is 100% chemical food, because if you ask, because the farmers use pesticides, chemical fertilizers to get more crop yield. So while they are using those chemical fertilizers, chemical pesticides, the food or the crop which should be yielded is is to be called as chemical food, are contaminated, which causes lots of damage to our life. So we are consuming chemical food. This is not the thing. It's also a protein, clean and green. Clean and green is not only the thing, it's a eco-friendly. So we are consuming chemical food, and I think using natural fertilizers made by the farmers, using their animal waste, using the cow dung, etc. This is the good thing to crop to cultivate the agriculture, and then it will do good for our health.
Yes, I'm absolutely right for that. For example, we only take the, for example, I'm a farmer of a daughter. What is your farmer? Or what is your father will do? Farmer. Yes. for the olden days, they know what to use. What is mean by pesticide? What is the effect of the pesticide? They don't know. Just who are the head of the company? Just they giving only good things. Means you want to use my medicine for your plant, means it will grow up and you got so much money. They means they giving like that hopes on the fields. But we are learning, means we are, for example, agriculture students are also now they are learning what is mean by how to use and what is the good for plant or what is the good for future, which food is very useful to her. We are telling, means we are learning in school and we are going to home and we are telling to our fathers and mothers. They know what is the pesticide. Now they know what is the pesticide and what is the effect of pesticides. So now they are avoiding pesticides. Just they are using cow dung like this, etc. Means biodegradable things. They are using biodegradable things to the fields. So the chemical is decreasing here. We are avoiding the chemicals. So we are getting only healthy food nowadays.
You are saying absolutely right. Exactly. But if you see, everyone has their own vehicles, and they are using their own vehicles to run to transport. Instead of using their own vehicles, if they use public vehicles like government vehicles, buses, or the vehicles which lots of members can be traveled in a vehicle. So if they use public vehicles instead of using their own vehicles, there will be a less air pollution and it's too good for our health. So when speaking about this point is we are breathing. So breathing is the essential thing to survive on the earth. So we are breathing the air, but the polluted air, the contaminated air causes problems to our kidneys, lungs, and it leads to our death. So as students, as we have this responsibility, we should have to do this, do that. Just avoid doing all these things. Just we should bring awareness in those who are unaware of all about this. Just we should have to bring awareness in them and should make them to be as a part in this.
Yes, I am saying that one thing. We want to remind our Hartaharam. In our government, our KCR sir is implemented Hartaharam. Yes, we are increasing the forest and we are increasing the parks and we are planting a plant in our birthday also. We are providing one plant and plant that plant in our birthday and feel it is as our sister. When we feel it is as a sister, we are pouring water and we are cleaning the surroundings of that, and we are taking care as like our sister. So when we are planting a tree, when we are increasing the trees and when we increasing the forests, increasing the parks, the greenness is increasing. When the vehicles are going, the outside of the air is coming out, means the plants are taking the carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen to us, means it is providing the fresh air to us. The pollution is coming but it is going down, the fresh air is coming out, means we are here we are increasing the plants. Yes, we all know, absolutely we all know that we are increasing that. Yes, and I think we are taking fresh air now.
You mentioned that we are planting trees and we are increasing the trees. But yes, we are doing absolutely. We are everyone doing this. I mean, they are planting trees and they are increasing the number of trees. That those who do smuggling or those who departs upon the forest, they are cutting down the trees in the forest and they are smuggling secretly. So by this, we are at the same time, two things are going to happen here. The thing is to that we should take care of those planted trees and should care them, and it is better to increase the level of smuggling. It will be lead to a very clean air. And not only these things, chemical industries, factories, the chemical industries releases the air and the chemicals, they are contaminating the air.
Yes,
it is making it to be destroyed. If we see in our future generation, we don't know whether on earth or not. It leads to rust the earth with chemicals or with the, all the things which are going to happen right now are going to destroy the earth in future.
I'm not supporting that because when we are for example, you are taking as a smuggling means cutting down the trees. The High Court announced that who are cut the trees, it is the we want to give the correct punishment to us. The law of the constitution is giving the punishment, and the forest officers also increasing. The one forest has a in before days we don't know there is a forest officer also, we don't know. Nowadays almost we know, not almost we know already or no, almost all members also interesting in police officers. They are also interested in forest officers. When the forest officer is there, it is useful as means they cut down and plant a tree, cut down the tree and plant a tree again. It is not useful, don't cut that. It is the rule for us.
We have spoke all those things which are the clean and green advantages and disadvantages. Whatever we say, I'll never agree with you. The main thing, the main reason is that prevention is better than cure. Here we are just curing it for temporarily, but we are not preventing it. If we prevent each and everything, like avoiding of vehicles, avoiding using of petroleum, avoiding vehicles is also includes using of petroleum, and cutting down trees, each and everything. If we continue, if we avoid all these, it means here we are preventing it. Prevention is better than cure. So if we prevent all this, there will be a very, 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 very good life on the earth.
I am saying that today student's life is as a tomorrow's life. Means our student can change the world. Means now we are change the world. We are now only we are increasing that. Yes, we are know that we are increasing everything. But in our after our generation, they can't, because our mothers not said, means how to use, how to are good thing, how to not good for our age. They don't know because they not study. We are studying means our next generation we can tell what is the good thing for earth, what is the bad thing for earth. We can tell to them only in child is only, so they can't do. We can save our earth.
Yeah, we are educated, not only intimating our future generation about what is good, what is bad about it, but also we should do that. We should follow it first. We know that what is good, what is bad for earth. Just we follow it, and automatically our next generation will know know that and follows the same thing. And so first thing is consuming a very, very, very healthy food is the main thing to survive on earth, and it is also first taught in clean and green energy. So it's in the sense we are using pesticides. It is maintaining backyards in our homes is also the good thing to be maintain a very good health. And clean and green energy. Green energy. If you see, we know that money plant. Why it is called as money plant in the sense it's always in green color, and it gives us fresh air. So the fresh air and fresh air, the pleasant weather makes us to be healthy. So here we are so healthy. So healthy in the sense we are decreasing the uses of money to which we are spending on hospitals. So it is called as money plant. So greenery is it makes us too pleasant. Then it will so happy. Then we are happy. And green energy.
For all, I will give one example. For all understanding, I will give one example. For comparing the patients only. for comparing the patients in for comparing the patients only. When schools are closed, means coronavirus is entering, means we don't know how to what is the coronavirus and what is the effect of that. After we are know, after we are not, in first time we are increasing, means in first time we don't know, so the people the patients of that is increases it. And what is corona, what is the effect of that, means when we maintaining that cleanness, means we are decreases, means what is the happening here, the maintenance already only we are maintaining. But some people who don't know, how they know, we give in the ads in mobile phones, we are giving ads in see, TVs, and we are also telling like that only. In our generations, like that only, in now only we can do weekend programs like clean and green in a village. We can implement at that. For example, one day weekend we are going to field trip. What is agriculture, what is we will learn that. And next second week we want to go to clean and green. I requested that, means that scheme is come, means everyone 100 is clean and green. When we once how to what is the green and what is the clean, we understand the people, means old people who are not educated. We do once, means they can understand, they can understand what is clean, how to clean, what is clean means what is what is our health, what is good for health. They understand it and they clean automatically. We implement, now we are implement that. I think so. We implement the 100%. They maintain the cleanness and greenness. That healthy. After that, the hospital patients are decreases. Is when we are doing that, the hospital patients rate becomes decreases. Means we are taking fresh air, we are doing cleanness, we are taking fresh food, we are taking everything as a freshness. So we can't without help of any greenness and cleanness, we can't telling our health is good, our health is wealth. Is arogyame mahabhagyam. It is very we know that. For that we want to do clean and green program. Why you are opposing that?
As we all know that it's a pandemic situation,
As
which is going to happen now, which is running right now. In this pandemic situation, to control or to overcome all the situations, we should have to first maintain a very good health. To maintain a good health, we need to take good immunity, the food which gives immunity. The food which gives immunity to be is that the food which had the crops which had cultivated without the using of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So to avoid chemical fertilizers, pesticides, we should have to use the natural products as fertilizers. Then everything to be in an operational mode. And clean and green includes each and everything in our surroundings, chemical industries, factories, campus cleaning our surroundings, and forgotten one thing. In our houses, there will be a water flow, wastewater is flowing on roads. By that, insect flies or making bad us, making to be get sick. So all these are a part of green energy. We are today's students or tomorrow's leaders. If we all taken it as our own responsibility, then we can bring awareness in the people who are unaware about it. And the next every change is we are the first thing to bring the change in the world. It should be starts from us.
for that I want to tell is the slumming areas is the house prices are coming from that typhoids and malaria was coming. For that government was doing the slumming areas are closing, means the water is flowing down, but upside is it is closing with cement. So the house flies is not coming, and the waste is of their house water is going to uh, one groundwater, means one
Drainage.
six means the government announced who taking the drainage drainage wells, giving the 5,000 who are take before of their house, means the government is giving 5,000 of money. For that, they are people also taking the wells, means garbaging wells. From that, they are closing that also. The house flies are not coming, and the and typhoid, malaria patients also decreasing now. I can't agree with you.
I'll also never agree with you that your we have been intimated each and everything which you are doing, but my suggestion is that to be maintained. We are bringing a lot of change in the society. We are in the sense students of tomorrow, today are the leaders of tomorrow. So all the things which we have discussed right now should be if they should be in an operational mode, then it will be a very eco-friendly earth to us.
So we both we can do the change for the earth. Thank you.